Below the featured image, you will find the option for an excerpt. It says optional. I recommend you write something here. Go use ChatGPT or whatever to come up with something. Keep it short, 1 or 2 sentences. Again, when somebody shares your website address on social media, it will give the image and it will take the text from the excerpt. That's why you have to think very well in advance what you want to say here, like best printers in Shellytown, professional, quick, and friendly. Keep it as short as possible, make it descriptive so that when somebody shares this on social media, then you have a good image of your product as well as what your site is all about. So let's say update. And one thing you have to understand about all of this is not always immediate. So I've added the featured image here and I have created this little excerpt. But if I were to take my link and quickly hop over to Facebook and throw it in there and post it, you may get nothing. And the reason for that is sometimes it takes all of these big brains, and the machines to go through the process and all of that to click in. So you have to give it a little bit of time.